Hello students, today in this session we will discuss the reactions due to benzene ring, and these are electrophilic substitution reactions. That is, hydrogen atom of the ring is substituted by positive part of the attacking reagent. You know nucleophile negative part and electrophile positive part. That's the property of aromatic compounds. They always undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. So please add it in your knowledge. Reactions due to benzene ring are of electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition. Definitely you will take electrophilic substitution reactions. Substitution of hydrogen from ring by positive part of attacking reagent. Students, these are of 5 types. Electrophilic substitution reactions, these are 5. First one is nitration reaction. Nitration reaction, that is substitution by nitro group NO2. Nitration reaction, students, starts from the letter N. Nitro group again starts from the letter N. Key point. Second, sulfonation reaction. Substitution by sulfonic acid group. SO3H group is called sulfonic acid group. Sulfonation reaction again starts from the letter S, and sulfonic acid group also starts from the letter S. Third, halogenation reaction. Substitution by halogen atom. Fourth, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In it, substitution by alkyl group takes place. Substitution by alkyl group. And last, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. That is substitution by acyl group, COCH3 group. These are the 5 reactions. It is clear. Hydrogen atom of the ring will be replaced. In nitration reaction, nitro group will replace. In sulfonation reaction, sulfonic acid group will replace. Halogenation reaction, halogen atom will replace. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, that is alkyl group will replace. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, that is acyl group will replace. Now we will discuss these reactions one by one. I hope 50% of the concept is clear. The first one, nitration reaction. Reaction with concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. It is clear, in nitration reaction, hydrogen of the ring is substituted by nitro group. When it is naming reaction, you have to mention some introduction. Either you can write this or you can mention this. Reaction with concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. And students, it is called nitrating mixture. What is nitrating mixture? Equimolar mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. It is called as nitrating mixture. Concentrated HNO3 will participate in the nitration reaction. Now please, at first we will discuss this reaction in benzene. Reaction of benzene with concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Students, concentrated H2SO4, whenever it is mentioned, it is powerful dehydration agent. What will happen? Loss of water. Any reactions that already done in +1 standard, complete the reactions. Students, what is mentioned reagent? Concentrated H2SO4. It is clear what will happen? Dehydration, loss of water. Whenever concentrated H2SO4 is mentioned, immediately proceed with dehydration, loss of water. It is clear, in water, hydrogen and oxygen, they are in 2:1. It is sucrose. It already contains hydrogen and oxygen in 2:1, 22 and 11. It is clear 11 water will eliminate. 11 water will eliminate and we got purest form of carbon, that is carbon charcoal. What happens? Dehydration. Again, concentrated H2SO4 is mentioned. It is formic acid dehydration. Water, it contains only 2 hydrogens, that is 1 water we lost and we got carbon monoxide. That's the key point. Whenever concentrated H2SO4 is mentioned, dehydration will proceed in organic chemistry. Now again clear what will happen? Dehydration. Students, nitration reaction, nitric acid will participate. Please break it. OH, NO2, HNO3. Now it is clear nitrogen, oxygen, which is more electronactive? Oxygen. When we move along the period, size decrease and electronactivity increase. Oxygen is electronactive, means partial negative charge, and nitrogen partial positive charge. What will happen, students? Dehydration, loss of water. Hydrogen of the ring is substituted by positive part of the attacking reagent, that is nitro group will replace it, and H and OH they will form water. It's clear the product is nitrobenzene. C6H5NO2. Electrophilic substitution. Hydrogen of the ring is substituted by positive part of the attacking reagent. I break HNO3. Oxygen more electronactive, partial negative charge. Vice versa, nitrogen will have partial positive charge. That's the electrophile from the attacking reagent. And H and OH they will form water. After this, students, the similar reaction in chlorobenzene and benzoic acid. Before doing the nitration reaction in chlorobenzene or benzoic acid, we must clear the group which is in link with ring. It is activating or deactivating group. So I make the separate topic, what are activating and what are deactivating groups. Students, activating groups which activate the benzene ring. In activating groups, reaction, that is electrophilic substitution, proceed fast as compared to benzene. What are activating groups? Groups which donate its electron pair to benzene ring. Group which donate its electron pair to benzene ring. All of these are activating groups. Means group which is in link with benzene ring at least possess a lone pair of electron. Group which is in link with benzene ring possess at least a lone pair of electron. It is chlorobenzene. All of you know halogen is in link with benzene. It has 7 valence electron. One of the electron is shared with phenyl group. It means the rest 3 lone pair will be on halogen atoms all times. Phenol, oxygen atom of the group is in link with phenyl group. Oxygen have 6 valence electrons. 2 are shared, one with hydrogen and one with phenyl group. 4 are left. Lone pair will not be mentioned, but you know, when it is oxygen neutral, it always have 2 lone pair. It is ether, students, ROR, aromatic ether called as anisole. Again oxygen, definitely it will have 2 lone pair. Aniline, C6H5NH2. Already you have done resonance in these compounds. Nitrogen 5 valence electrons. 1 share with phenyl group and 2 with hydrogen. 2 are left. Group 15 element, they have 1 lone pair. Group which donate electron pair to benzene ring. It is called activating group. Means it always have lone pair of electron. These are activating groups, and please note the activating groups, they are ortho and para directing. It means in these cases what will happen? Electrophile will approach either to ortho position or to para position. Deactivating groups. Students, deactivating groups, their reactions are slow as compared to benzene. Group which withdraw electrons from benzene ring. Which withdraw electron from benzene ring. These are deactivating group. Means group which is in link with ring possess electron withdrawing oxygen atom. These are deactivating groups: benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, nitrobenzene, cyanobenzene. They withdraw electron from ring. That is, electron density on ring decrease. Hence their reactions are slow as compared to ring. Now please come here. That's nitration reaction. Already we have discussed nitration reaction. Reaction with nitrating mixture, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. All times it will happen in nitration reaction. Please at first break it. OH, NO2. It's HNO3. Partial negative, partial positive. Concentrated H2SO4, dehydration. That is loss of water. Now electrophile will approach at ortho and para positions. Ortho or para, because it is activating group. H and OH they will form water, and electrophile will strike chlorobenzene. That's the group present in ring. It will remain as such, no change. But electrophile will come either at ortho or at para position. Now it is clear it is nitration reaction. The electrophile is nitro group. Attack on ortho or para. We got orthonitrochlorobenzene, para-nitrochlorobenzene. And remember, the para product is always major and ortho is minor. Para is major because para opposite side it is free. In case of ortho, already bulky group is present, so it faces steric hindrance. Now proceed same reaction in benzoic acid. Students, nitration reaction. Nitrogen being electronegative, it is electrophile. Electrophilic substitution will proceed. But what is the nature of this group? Benzoic acid. You know it is deactivating group. Students, in your plus 2 standard, two compounds, that is benzoic acid and benzaldehyde, these are meta-directing. These are in your syllabus in plus 2. Benzoic acid and benzaldehyde, they are deactivating, means meta-directing. Now electrophile will come at meta. Meta is alternate position, 1, 3. This is the worst number. In this case, the first number was this. Ortho, meta, para. Anti-clockwise, ortho, meta, para. It is meta position, students, 1, 3. What will happen? At first, dehydration. It's benzoic acid. Electrophile NO2 will come at meta position. We got meta-nitrobenzoic acid. That's the first reaction, nitration reaction. Key point is nitration reaction starts from the letter N and hydrogen is substituted by NO2 group. Again starts from the letter N. Now second, sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation reaction, students. Reaction with concentrated H2SO4. Sulfonation starts from S with sulfuric acid. Nitration N with nitric acid. Reaction with concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of SO3. Students, this reaction mixture is called oleum. What's the formula of oleum? H2S2O7. Oleum is also called king of the king of chemicals. Which chemical compound is called king of the king of chemicals? Oleum. Because it is used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. And you know sulfuric acid, it is called king of chemicals. Because many compounds are manufactured from H2SO4. But H2SO4 is manufactured from oleum, it is called king of the king of chemicals. H2, if we add it, we got S2 and O7. In sulfonation reaction, students, the catalyst is SO3. Catalyst is SO3. Role of the catalyst in electrophilic substitution reactions, I will explain later. It generates electrophile. It generates electrophile and electrophile will replace hydrogen of the benzene ring. Now it's clear it is sulfonation reaction with concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of SO3. Students, again, without hesitation, concentrated H2SO4 is mentioned. It is clear what will happen. Dehydration, that is loss of water. Again, students, concentrated H2SO4 break in the way. How water is formed? H from the ring is substituted. It withdraw OH, nucleophile. The rest is OH, what is left? SO3H. H is always at terminal positions. Sulfonation reaction, please break in this way. It is clear what is electrophile. Oxygen, sulfur. Down the group size increase, electronegatividity decrease. Partial negative, partial positive. Now it's clear it is electrophile. It will replace hydrogen from the ring. H and OH, dehydration, that is sulfonic acid group will approach to benzene ring. We got benzene sulfonic acid, C6H5SO3H. Sulfonation reaction. Now we are proceeding the similar reaction in chlorobenzene or benzoic acid. Now it is clear it is activating group, means electrophile will approach ortho or para. Benzoic acid, it is deactivating, electrophile will approach at meta position. Again concentrated H2SO4 dehydration. How proceed for sulfonation reaction? Concentrated H2SO4, OH, SO3H. Students, that's the part of +1 aromatic compounds, also clear here. At first we do the reactions in benzene, then we do in substituted compounds. Partial negative, partial positive, it is electrophile. But the group which is already in ring, it is activating, that is ortho and para. It will not undergo any change, it will remain as such. Suppose it is complete the reaction. What will happen? Electrophile will approach to ortho position or to para position. Now it's clear, students, what is electrophile here? SO3H, positive part of the attacking reagent. SO3H. That's the reaction. In halogenes we will discuss. Next, benzoic acid, students. In acid we will do this reaction. It means when we study benzoic acid, you will do by yourself. It is deactivating group. Sulfuric acid, concentrated H2SO4, dehydration. H will withdraw OH, leads to a formation of water. What is left from the reagent? SO3H. It is H2SO4. Partial negative, partial positive. It's electrophile, but it is deactivating group, will attack at meta position. Alternate position is called as meta position. That's the second reaction, sulfonation reaction. After this, student, the third reaction is halogenation reaction. Halogenation, it's clear, reaction with halogen molecule in the presence of halogen carriers. Halogen molecule, if it is Cl2, then halogen carrier is ferric chloride. Halogen molecule is Br2, bromination, then we will proceed ferric bromide. Reaction with halogen molecule in the presence of halogen carrier. Role of the catalyst, it will generate electrophile, students. And electrophile will attack on benzene ring. It will replace hydrogen, will lead to the formation of chlorobenzene. C6H5Cl. When hydrogen undergo chlorination, the side product is HCl. At first, in sulfonation and nitration, the side product was water. They were oxo acids. Acids having oxygen. Now please, we will proceed for these reactions in chlorobenzene or benzoic acid. Halogenation. That is, halogen atom will replace hydrogen from the ring. But you know it is activating group. It means halogen will attack either to ortho or to para. It is deactivating halogen at meta. Now please complete these reactions. It is already chlorobenzene. We are doing chlorination in it. It is activating group. Electrophile, again chlorine, attack at ortho or at para. And I clear always para is major product. It is free position, electrophile easily approach here. Plus HCl. Now next, students, in benzoic acid, it is deactivating group. Deactivating group means it is meta-directing, electrophile approach, meta-chlorobenzoic acid. Now students, reaction of benzene with chlorine in FeCl3, it is electrophilic, it will generate electrophile. We got chlorobenzene. Now please come here, that's the reaction of benzene with chlorine in sunlight. That's the only reaction of benzene in which addition takes place and leads to the formation of gamexane. Gamexane, antiseptic. What will happen, students, when we treat benzene with chlorine in ferric chloride? Electrophilic substitution. But when we treat benzene with chlorine in sunlight, addition reaction takes place. In sunlight, addition reactions take place. What is addition reaction? Two compounds react to give single compound. What we got? Gamexane, students. It is clear, in benzene there are 3 double bonds. Alternate 3 double bonds, that is 3 molecules of chlorine will add. That is 1 Cl at each position. Now ring will not be mentioned. Ring reduce and addition takes place. Already benzene is C6H6. At first there were hydrogen atoms. C6H6, it is benzene. Already there were hydrogen at all positions with 6 carbons. Now what happens? 6 chlorine adds and ring reduce. If you mention ring, it is wrong because carbon is already tetravalent. Each carbon atom is surrounded by 4 bonds. Addition takes place. It is called gamexane or BHC, benzene hexachloride. BHC, benzene hexachloride. Give equation for the manufacturing of gamexane. Friends, strike BHC, benzene hexachloride, and these are the reactants. Benzene hexachloride. It is also called 666. Which compound is called 666 gamexane? Because there are 6 carbon, 6 halogen and 6 hydrogen. Notice benzene with chlorine in sunlight, please make gamexane. Chlorine in ferric chloride, then make chlorobenzene. When we do conversions, convert benzene to chlorobenzene, we will add this condition. Please don't add this condition. After this, next, fourth, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, students. That is reaction with alkyl halide in the presence of AlCl3. Which substance is used as catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction? You know, aluminium chloride. Reaction with alkyl halide, alkylation, students, in the presence of AlCl3. I already mentioned in the starting, alkyl group will replace in alkylation reaction. What will happen, students? RX bond will break. It is clear, X halogen electronegative. Alkyl group becomes electrophile. It will replace hydrogen from the ring. We got toluene. C6H5 CH3. First group may be mentioned at any position. It is called as toluene. What will happen? Hydrogen is replaced, undergo reaction with nucleophile and forms HCl. Role of the catalyst, it generates electrophile. Discuss after the completion of this reaction. Next, students, chlorobenzene with CH3Cl in AlCl3. It is the condition of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Alkyl halide in the presence of AlCl3. Again, students, it is clear. That's the electrophile. But chlorobenzene, it is activating group, you know. It will remain as such, but electrophile will come either to ortho position or to para position. HCl is replaced. That is, we got orthochlorotoluene or parachlorotoluene. Next, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Reaction with acid halide. Acylation, students, acid halide in the presence of AlCl3. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. If it is RX, it is alkylation. It is RCOX, it is acylation. You know, acid, CH3COH. Now hydroxyl group, it is replaced by halogen atom, leads to a formation of acid halide. Students, in acid halides, what will happen? Acylation, and in acylation reaction, always carbonyl carbon halogen bond break. It is clear, halogen electronegative. Carbonyl carbon, it will acquire partial positive charge. Now it is clear, it is electrophile. But in electrophile, the active site is carbonyl carbon. Many times, what do you do? Complete the reaction benzene Friedel-Crafts acylation. You directly write CH3CO. CH3CO, which is wrong. Electrophile is CH3CO, yes. But in electrophile, the active site is carbonyl carbon. Be careful, carbonyl carbon will form bond. So please mention in the way COCH3. This compound is called acetophenone. It is aromatic ketone, methyl phenyl ketone, acetophenone. It is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Hydrogen is substituted by acyl group, that is electrophile. Now proceed similar reaction in chlorobenzene. It is Friedel-Crafts acylation. It is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, alkyl halide, acylation, acid halide. Carbonyl carbon halogen bond dissociates. It's electrophile, but we are doing it in chlorobenzene. Be careful, chlorobenzene, it is activating group. Activating group means electrophile approach to ortho or to para position. And what will happen? H and Cl. H and Cl. H of ortho position or para position will form HCl. Electrophile will approach to ortho or para. Students, what will happen? Electrophile in acylation is COCH3. Orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone. These are the 5 reactions already I mentioned in the starting. That is nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Which substance is used as catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction? Your answer is AlCl3. Halogenation, halogen carrier. In these reactions, side product is HX, halogen acid is eliminated, and in these reactions the side product is water. Now students, what is the role of catalyst? What's the role of catalyst in the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene? That's the last reaction we studied. Any of the reaction. It is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, alkyl halide in the presence of AlCl3. What is the role of catalyst? Students, role of the catalyst is to generate electrophile. Electrophile will generate and then reaction proceed, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. Because catalyst AlCl3, it is electron deficient. Octet is not complete. Octet of aluminium is not complete. Catalyst being electron deficient acts as Lewis acid and withdraw halide ion. When it withdraw halide ion, that is, it will form AlCl4 negative. AlCl4 negative, and what we got? Electrophile, which will substitute hydrogen from the benzene ring. Role of the catalyst is to help in generating the electrophile. I am sure you can easily do all the reactions that proceed due to benzene ring, that is electrophilic substitution reactions. Now please do these reactions. Complete and forward me on my WhatsApp number. Benzene plus chlorine in sunlight. Benzaldehyde nitration, it is deactivating group. Anisole alkylation, it is activating group. Benzene nitration, what is the product? And again nitration, what are the products? Thank you.